really good here is, I mean, we're pretty much lunchtime day one. I've already had 6 or 7 conversations with large global insurers, and that access and intel in terms of what's their problems, what's the opportunities that exist in the market, how can we assist them, has been great.
I think you just never would get the chance to meet such a cross-section from the industry in one place. Also, the subjects and the streams and the work streams that are being delivered means that people are coming to listen to things. So by the time they come and speak to us on the booth, they're pretty explicit about what they want to talk to us around, and they're listening to our keynote talks and coming in and asking for more perspective on it. So there's lots of follow-up that we'll enjoy as a result in this event.
I always enjoy to be on stage and to talk and to get questions about, what do you do and how can you help us, and actually to learn from when you ask insurance companies, what is your challenge really? What brings you here to the event?
The insurance industry is made up of so many different people, brokers, people working for companies like Aviva, smaller startups. It's just a really wide variety of representation here, so it's really nice to get a broad perspective.
We've already had some really great conversations with people who left our session this morning with a lot of questions, and they've not really maybe encountered seismic and seen how we can operate and work within the insurance space. So being able to articulate some of the things that we're doing elsewhere and maybe inspire a few thoughts and a few ideas. We've got some great meetings lined up that we can follow up with. So that's obviously a really great opportunity for us.
I think there's been some really interesting panel conversations this morning, and then going into the afternoon, it'd be great to kind of speak to some of the people that were on the panels and really dive into some of the topics that they mentioned and hear about, I guess, what opportunities there might be for us to collaborate in the future.
It's the networking opportunity. I get to meet wonderful people that have great knowledge that could share.
Very interesting to see what core people do around here and how we can work together to improve the industry as a whole.
I think actually just being around with people from the industry, I think, is really important. It's very rare that you get a chance to do this because there are very few events that actually sort of allow so many people that are C-suite and heads of digital and heads of marketing that actually sort of sit within the space. So I think it's a fantastic event for that.